How to update location on Spotify. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can update location on Spotify. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. Open up your Spotify. And when you're moving on with your changing your account's details, you will need to open it up in your web browser. So here you can see you can change your country or region, that is basically update your location on Spotify. You will need to go to your account page. After you're on your account page, under account, click on update next to your payment method. After that, enter a new payment method that was issued in a new country. So that's the way you can update your location. You will need to enter a new payment method that was or that is from another country. Do that and your account's location will get changed, but that's only for the premium. So if you don't have a premium, you can do so by going to your account page, go to under account and click on edit profile. Scroll down to country or region, and right there you can select a new country, then tap on save profile. And that's how simple it is. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.